Hello friends, in this video tutorial we discuss about the sessionScope implicit object of the expression language. It is used to print the value stored into the sessionScope. Let's see with practical. First I click on the file, new, and take a dynamic web project. A dialog box will be displayed here, and simply I need to write my project name. I'm giving my project name as EL expression language sessionScope demo, and click on the next. Check the generate web.xml deployment descriptor and finish. My project displayed under the project explorer EL sessionScope demo, and I simply explore it. I have to right click on the web content. A pop-up menu will be displayed here, and simply I need to click on the new and take a JSP file. A dialog box will be displayed here, and simply I am giving my file name as index.jsp and press enter. My index.jsp file is created here. And I am taking here the form tag and action equal session.jsp and close it. Okay, and here I am taking a div tag and inline CSS style equal width colon 200 pixel, height 100 pixel, and border width 1 pixel, and border style solid. Okay, and simply write here, enter the name, taking here the input type equal text, and name equal name, and close it, taking here a BR tag, press enter, and then another input type equal submit, and giving here the value as a submit, close it and save it. Look here, I am taking a form tag and action. Within the action I am giving here the session.jsp, means control go to, when user click on the submit button, control go to session.jsp page, redirect to session.jsp page. So I need to create a session.jsp page. Here I am taking a div and using the inline style CSS width, I am passing here the width as a 200, height 100 pixel, border width 1 pixel, and border style solid. Enter the name and taking here the input type as a text. User enter any name into this text box and click on submit button. The control go to session.jsp. So I just create here a page session.jsp, and press enter. My session.jsp page is created here, and simply I am using expression tag, and I am using session implicit object dot set attribute, press enter, and session need two argument, string name and object as object argument. So first I declare a variable string name equal request dot get parameter, and passing here the name as a parameter. Look here, I am giving here the argument name here as a name. When user enters the any name, this value come to this page, and with the help of implicit object request and get parameter method, we are getting the value and assign into the name variable. And I simply giving here the u and object as a name, means session name as a u and name is the variable stored the value coming from the index.jsp, and in this time the session store the value, and I want to display the name value store, the name variable store the value with the help of sessionScope implicit object of the expression language. And here I am using a JSP forward tag, JSP forward tag, JSP forward tag. I am giving here disp.jsp and save it. After storing the value into the session, the JSP forward tag forward the control to disk.jsp page, where I want to display the session value with the help of sessionScope implicit object of the expression language. So I need to create a disk.jsp page, and I am giving here my JSP page as a disk.jsp, and here I write welcome and dollar sessionScope dot u, and save it. There is something wrong, I just save it, Ctrl S, okay, and taking here S2 label heading, giving here the welcome to this page, and save it, and come to index.jsp and run it, click on finish. It is taking little time for running. Starting Tomcat localhost 23% is completed, and right now it is 100% completed. The index.jsp page is displayed by the browser onto the screen, and user enter the name, click on the submit button, the control redirect to session.jsp, where it store the value into the session as a name, and just with the help of JSP forward tag, it redirect to disk.jsp, where the session value displayed with the help of sessionScope implicit object of the expression language. Look here, it is continue to processing. Okay, enter the name, and simply I am giving here the name as Abhishek, and click on the submit. Okay, look here, welcome to this page, Abhishek. The control, go to session.jsp and store into the variable into the value into the session. With the help of JSP forward tag, redirect to the disk, and with the help of sessionScope or implicit object of the expression language, display the value. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the cookie of the expression language.